In 1992, a bunch of young students started traveling to some of the remotest parts of Pakistan for hiking, trekking, and camping. While exploring those exotic valleys, enchanting plains, and calm deserts, they became aware of the pains and the miseries of the inhabitants. They observed that natives have no access to health facilities, education, or clean drinking water. In case of sickness, inhabitants of these remote areas likely do not have a single pill. Initially, they collected medicines from their families and friends for distribution in the remote areas during their next visit. The enormous need and the immense gratification of the poor patients had two amazing results. Firstly, the inhabitants in remote areas started a new journey, a journey towards peace, prosperity, and pleasure. Secondly, Pakistan Relief was born. No one even guessed that a small group of students, once just keen on recreational activities, will divert its course from personal recreation to humanitarian service. Every now and then, there is a grim reminder that life is unbearably fragile. More than 80,000 people lost their lives on the sunny morning of October the 8th, 2005, when a devastating earthquake measuring 7.6 on Richter scale hit the northern Pakistan and Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The contingency planning helped us to appear fully prepared on the disaster scene in the far-flung hilly areas immediately. Our emergency response teams were dropped into the mountains by the Army aviation helicopters. We often teamed with foreign NGOs. Collectively, we treated more than 36,000 patients. With the motto of knitting the world together, one stitch at a time, some ladies at Knitting Hands still send us sweaters, mittens, and hats from the Canandaigua, New York, to keep the children of these areas warm in the harsh winters. Disasters can strike anywhere, anytime, and anyone could be the victim. The lack of disaster preparedness has left our nation deficient in the essential awareness required to cope with emergencies. The most terrible disaster of the country's history provided our organization with the vision to institute the PRIDEA, Pakistan Relief International Disaster Education Academy, to build our own capacity and activate our nation to have comprehensive first aid training.
Very easy, and it's a hospital available.
Several members of Pakistan Relief have been trained at Die Johanniter Academy, Germany, and are delivering their knowledge to their nation free of cost. In the past, as the goodwill ambassadors of Pakistan, We have responded in neighboring countries like Iran, Sri Lanka, and Indonesia. In the future, we wish to help people in need around the world. Pakistan's 73% of its total 170 million population lives in the hamlet areas, where basic facilities are inadequate. Poverty is a major challenge for a developing country like Pakistan, where almost 24% live below the poverty line, with an income of less than $12 per capita. Murid is one of the largest villages of district Chakwal in the Punjab province. Here most of the people are farmers or labourers who hardly make their both ends meet. Such parents cannot afford the tuition fee and the daily bus fare for sending their children to the city for studies. On 1st June 2008, with kind assistance of Professor David Smith of Colorado, USA, we inaugurated a learning resource center in this village. During the very first couple of days, more than 100 students applied to join a short course of 3 months. Now, 3 classes a day are being held, and the smiling faces of 60 children make our hearts glow. Just a few miles away, there is an ancient town of Satkhara Katas, which was built in 300 BC. An eminent Muslim astronomer, Abu Rayhan al-Biruni, the author of a high-ranked literary composition, Kitabul Hind, studied Sanskrit there at a linguistic university and also calculated the circumference of the earth 400 years ago. At Murid's LRC, the new talent has started exploring the new horizons with Google Earth now. In the same vicinity, a skill development center is providing young minds with an opportunity to learn sewing, stitching, and embroidery for the last 9 months. A kind-hearted friend, Miss Deirdre, help this dream come true.
वो सेंटर अभी नहीं खुला था तो हम थोड़े बहुत जो कपड़े हैं वो सिलाई कर लेते थे और अपनी कोई ख्वाहिश हो छोटी मोटी वो अपने पैसों से पूरी कर लेते थे ना। तो अब ये सेंटर खुला है तो अब इनकी फ़ीस भी मिलती है और हमें जो चीज़ कोई ज़रूरत होती है वो हम अपनी ख़रीद भी लेते हैं, इससे खुशी मिलती है और इनको सिखाते हैं तो और ज़्यादा खुशी होती है कि ये भी सीख रही हैं।
The gap between the poor and the rich is widening day by day. The road to a better and more just world is long and winding. Pakistan Relief is dedicated to alleviate the suffering of the people in need through its small-scale programs. With your generous support, we can keep on constructing the commitment into reality and spreading the word of goodness.
अगर कंप्यूटर आए ना तो लड़कियां ज़रूर सीखेंगी। मेरा दिल कहता है मैं कंप्यूटर भी सीखूं, हर वो काम करूं जो लड़के करते हैं, बहुत ऐसा।
Together, by sharing some of our resources with less privileged communities, we can make a real difference. We invite you to be a vital part of our humanitarian efforts by joining this beautiful journey of peace, prosperity, and pleasure.